Your cat is totally doing these things on purpose. You've got to wait for the last one. It's hilarious. Cats will ignore you all day, but the second you get on a phone call, suddenly you're the most interesting person on the planet. And they don't actually want your food. Nope. They just need to give it a quick sniff to make sure it's up to their standards. Approved. Now you can eat it. Cats can sleep up to 16 hours a day, and somehow they still act completely exhausted. It's a tough life, I guess. Have you ever tried closing a door? To a cat, that's basically illegal. They absolutely must be on the other side of it, immediately. And finally, you know how cats sit in random boxes? It's not for comfort. It's to remind you that they own everything. If your cat does this too, you are not alone. Follow for more relatable cat problems.